No, that's fine. No, we need you by the microphone and the camera to get you. Don't worry. Thank you.
So yeah, excuse me my English, but you can understand what I'm saying, I think. So I want to just explain in a simple way. For example, we had witnessed about the Hong Kong's big protest a couple of years ago, right? So at the beginning, there was a protest in the Hong Kong. We had an emotion, just like a Tony, we're angry. We don't have any political purpose of that because we understand very well China. If the Hong Kong situation going on like that, what happened next? We know that. So that's why I stand up for Hong Kongers as well as Taiwan and other today for you guys as well, because we understand it. And Tony has a vision because he's paying attention the China human rights issues and other issues, and he well known about, I think, my opinion, to better understand the others like us. So that's why he stand up for those issues. And because this is not only for now, for next generation, I can say that if the China expanding their power, they become a superpower, that everything will be changed. Like now, the U.S., it's not like before I came to U.S., everything is changed. You know, that in the Congress, China has a kind of influence. Even the lot of the Congress or other influencer people, they don't stand up for justice. We can see that. So that's why I think the Tony and us to stand up for the issue that we face right now. It's not only because of the some purpose, because of we know we understand China better than others. That's my opinion, and I do have a lot of personal story if you want to hear, if you want to interested in. So I want to say just simple example for you guys to explain why and we and Tony stand up for this issue. I don't just
Well, that was perfect. Yeah, Colonel. Yeah, sure. That was great. Perfect. I understood everything. That was perfect. Thank you. Thank you for contributing. Appreciate it, Colonel.
Thank you. I just had a few sort of comments and observations to make after listening to all of this. It is important to realize that just how close the funding, the agreement is to being reached, and how close it is to being passed through Congress. And it had to the legislative language had to pass through something like a dozen committees to get approved. And the committees have approved it. And that means that a lot of Congress people have understood this very well. And their staffs in particular have really done a good job in understanding the issues and trying to get it through this system that we have to pass